In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up on an Instapage page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the pop-up tools, how to design a pop-up that looks great, and how to make sure it appears correctly on your page. Start by opening the Instapage builder for the page you want to enhance. You'll be working inside the same familiar environment you use for building landing pages, so everything should feel intuitive. Once the builder loads, look to the left sidebar. Find Assets, then select Pop-ups to open the pop-up library. This is where all your pop-ups live, and where you can create new ones or reuse designs you've already made. Click Create Pop-up to start a fresh design. The pop-up editor functions a lot like the page builder, so you can drag in the elements you need. Add a clear headline that communicates the value of your offer, a short paragraph for context, and a strong call to action button. If you're collecting leads, use a simple form. Ask only for the essentials to reduce friction. You can also include an image or icon to reinforce your message, but keep file sizes small for faster loading. Aim for a clean layout with good contrast so the content is easy to read at a glance. As you design, think about readability on different screens. Keep your content within a compact, vertically balanced layout so it doesn't feel cramped on mobile. Make sure your close icon is obvious and that the text and button sizing are large enough to tap on small devices. Clear labels and accessible color choices go a long way. When you're happy with the layout, you can save the pop-up to your library or insert it right onto the page you're editing. Saving it to the library is handy if you plan to reuse it across multiple pages. Give it a descriptive name so you can find it quickly later. If you insert it directly, it becomes available to that page immediately, letting you see how it complements the rest of your content. Before you wrap up, adjust the pop-up's settings. Set an appropriate width and height so the content fits comfortably without scrolling. Tweak the styling to match your brand: fonts, colors, button styles, and border radius. Consider adding a subtle overlay behind the pop-up to draw focus and verify that the spacing around elements feels consistent and polished. That's it. You've opened the builder, navigated to the pop-up library, created your pop-up, added the right elements, saved or inserted it, and refined the size and style. Follow these guidelines, and your pop-ups will look professional and convert more visitors.